Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Space Center Houston. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to enable you to go ahead and go straight to this platform right here from where we can get started purchasing our tickets. So first things first, click the check availability option, which is going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. From here, we can get started selecting our dates, and let's say the 17th right here. So once you select the 17th, it's going to enable us to select a time slot as well. Let's say 12 o'clock, after which you can get started selecting your tickets. If you are alone, you can just select the adult ticket. If you have children with you and so on, you can also go ahead and add their tickets as well. After which, click the next button to go to the next page where you can see similar experiences. If you're not interested in them, just click no thanks and go to the personal details page. From here, we can get started filling out our first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. After which, you need to fill it out correctly because it's going to be needed to go to the next page, which is going to be the payment page, and it's going to open up this new payment method menu from where we can go ahead and take a look at all the payment methods we can use. So you are going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Choose whichever one suits you the most. I'm going to go ahead and use debit and credit card, which is going to open up this new menu where I can fill out my card info. Once you fill out your card info, you can click the pay button, and once you make the payment successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on the platform. So there you have it. Go into the description of the video right now, open up the link and get started getting your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.